Hi, my name is Robert Dean Steele. I've been talking to you for the last couple of days about how to spot an abusive relationship, or if you're heading into abusive relationship, or even see an abuser before he comes. Now, I want to talk to you about the fact that this abuser or this person, this man, will always tell you that he's concerned about you. He may even get upset if you don't call him back right away. Or if you come home late, he'll say it's because he worries about you. He'll start with a question of who you saw, where you went, and what you were doing. He will mask his control with concern. He says, I'm concerned about your well-being. He'll start making decisions for you, who you spend time with and where you go, and claim to know what's best for you. Soon you'll be asking for his approval for every decision. Your control over your own life will slip away as his power and control begins to grow. If that is happening in your relationship with a man, that is a sure sign that you're heading towards an abusive relationship. You need to be aware of that, and you need to do something about it. My name is Robert Dean Steele. This is a very important subject, but I want you still to have a godly day.